Hey boys and girls, Miss Cheshier here again, and today I have a friend named Felicia the Fish. She's going to help us today with our math lesson. Can you say hi, Felicia? Hey boys and girls, what's going on? Not much, we're just about to do our math lesson. I thought you might like to help us, Felicia. Sure will. Just don't call me Nemo. Wow, you look kind of like him. You kind of got colors and stuff. Just don't, or I'll give you this look. Oh, that's a little bit terrifying. Okay, Felicia, not Nemo. Ooh. So today, me and Felicia would like to talk to you about what is a whole, what is a half, what is a quarter or fourth. So I have here a nice little cookie. Ooh, who likes cookies? I do. Me too. So this is a chocolate chip cookie, and I went ahead and I cut it in half because I wanted to share with you, Felicia. Oh, that's so nice. I know. Now, what if I would have shared my cookie, but I cut it where she got a little bit and I got a big part? Would that be fair? No way. You better not do that. I'm not. Just listen. I'm talking to the kids. What do you guys think? Would that be fair? Would that be equal shares? No. So I had to be careful when I was cutting this cookie that I cut it down the middle so that it's the same on both sides. I'm going to show you. You tell me if I did it right. Does that look like it's in half? Now this is not a perfect circle, so it's kind of hard to see, and my cookie kind of crumbled. But does it look mostly the same? Yeah. Okay. Now if it was a perfect circle, I would have been able to cut it a lot more evenly. But let's say I cut it. So this part is mine, this is Felicia's. Okay. She would have half of the cookie. I would have the other half. If I have two halves, it's called halves. You change it to Halves instead of Halfs. This is a half. These are two halves. Okay? If I put them together, it's a whole. A whole cookie, half a cookie, half a cookie. Whole cookie, half a cookie, half a cookie. Got it? So this is a half. This is a half. This is a whole. A whole that I cut in half is in how many pieces? 2 pieces. Good job. Y'all got it. Well, Felicia, I'm going to let her go eat her cookie. She is really hungry. So I'm going to put this to the side. I have something else that I thought might be interesting to you. So, anybody like pizza? I know I do. Felicia, she says she does. Now, I have a question for you. If I decided I wanted to have a pizza and I was going to eat some, Derek was going to eat some, Elton was going to eat some, and Felicia, how many people are eating that pizza? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, a minute ago I showed you how we could cut something in half equally. Do you think that there's a way I could cut a pizza where all of us could have the same amount of pizza? Let's try it out. I'm going to zoom in on the pizza, okay? All right. We've got mushroom, onion, bell pepper, and pepperoni. This one's my favorite, pepperoni. Okay, we're going to see how could I cut. This is a circle. And I want to see if I could cut this circle into 4 pieces. I have 4 friends I want to share it with. Now, earlier we said if we cut something down the middle, it would be in half. But how many pieces is that? That's just 1, 2. And I have 4 friends. So, what if I did this? What if I cut it down the middle, but I also cut it across the middle this way? Do I have 4 pieces? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We did it, boys and girls. We have 4 pieces of pizza. us some good pizza. Derek, you want to eat some of yours? So now that we have 4 pieces, let me tell you what they're each called. So each part of the pizza, since we have 4, is called a fourth. Makes sense. Or a quarter. Now, you may think a quarter is our coins we talked about last week, and it is, but a quarter can also mean 1/4 of something, okay? Hint, hint, a quarter, if you have 4 quarters, you get $1. Cool. Okay, so Derek, here's your fourth, or what, boys and girls? Quarter. So Derek's going to have the onion pizza. Put him here. Elton, you can have mushroom. So here's your, what is this called? Fourth of a pizza, or a quarter. Okay. They're enjoying that, okay? I am going to eat the pepperoni since it's my favorite. So this is my fourth, or quarter. And then Felicia is going to have the bell pepper, which is her fourth, or quarter. Is everybody happy? Yeah, me too. Yeah. Okay. So everybody has an equal share of the pizza. Pretty awesome. So now we're going to practice what we've learned about what's a half look like. What does a quarter or a fourth look like? All right. What you see on the screen is actually from your learning packet, the first one that you got. So if you want to go back and work on that, or go pause the video and go get it and work on it, great idea. Okay, it says cross out all of the shapes that show half colored in. Now, this says only cross out the ones that show half is colored in. So if we have 2 parts, let's look at my cookie again. If we have 2 parts, this together, it's a whole. If I cut them in half, they're 2 halves, right? So they want to know which of those shapes has half of it colored in. So that means only one side is colored in, okay? Let's see if we can do it. Because guess what? I have a really fun game for us to play at the end if we do so good, okay? We can do it. All right. This shape, does it have 2 parts? It does, but is 1/2 colored in? Nope, nope, no. Felicia? Nope, no, no. Good job. Okay. Ooh, now we haven't done a square yet, but can you tell if it's in 2 equal parts? Is 1/2 colored in? Good job, boys and girls. Okay, what about this one? Is it in 2 parts? No, it's in 4 equal parts. Looks like our pizza. It's not a half colored in. Okay, let's look at this one. Is it 2 parts? Yeah, is 1/2 colored in? You got it. Okay. Let's look at this next line, and this time I want you to say ding, ding, ding. If it is half colored in, I want you to say wah, wah, if it's not half colored in. Okay, here we go. This one. Ding, ding, ding. Good. What about this one? Think carefully. Wah, wah. That's right. It's got 4 equal parts with 1 colored in. Okay, look at this one. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, y'all are good. Okay, what about this one? Wah, wah. It has 4 equal parts and none colored in. Oh, boys and girls, y'all are doing good. What do you think, Felicia? Yep, yep, yep. Okay, now we need to practice our fourth, or quarter. All right, let's look at these shapes. It says cross out all the shapes that have a 4th colored in. Okay, remember, here's my pizza. Remember that if we cut something into 4ths, there are 4 equal pieces. If it's a circle, we can just do a crisscross and make 4 equal parts. If it's a square or other item, then it may not look the same as a circle, but it needs to have 4 equal parts. So keep that in mind. Okay, here we go. Look at this shape. It has 2 equal parts. Does that show a 4th colored in? No, it doesn't have 4 equal parts. What about this shape? No, it only has 2 equal parts and 1 shaded in. What about this one? It's got 4 equal parts, but are there any shaded in? No, so not that one either. What about this one? This one has 2 equal shapes and 1 colored in. Nope. All right, now we're going to do the same thing we did a minute ago. Ding, ding, ding. If it's right, wah, wah. If it's wrong. Okay, here we go. This shape. Wah, wah. Why, boys and girls? It only has 2 parts. Of course, that's not it. Okay, what about this one? Ding, ding, ding. It is 4 equal parts, and one of them is shaded in. It's 1/4 colored in. Good job. Okay, what about this one? Wah, wah. It only has 2 equal parts. Okay, what about this one? Wah, wah. It has 4 equal parts, but none is shaded in. Boys and girls, I think you know your halves and your quarters and fourths. I think you're ready for the game. It's called Monkey Isle, half and quarter. We're going to see if you can win some treasures because he's a pirate monkey. Watch out, Felicia. Yeah, that's right. Give him the mean face. Okay, here we go.
Choose the correct answer.
Okay, so we need to decide, is this a whole? Is it showing us a whole is shaded in? 1/4 shaded in? 3/4 shaded in? Or half? So first we need to see how many pieces it's cut into. It's cut into 4, and only one of them is shaded in. What's the answer, boys and girls? 1/4! Good job! Woo, woo, woo! Let's see what treasure we're gonna win. A coconut! Okay.
Choose the correct answer.
Is this showing a whole shaded in, half shaded in, 1/4 shaded in, or 3/4? Well, first we're gonna look. It's cut into 4ths, but all of them are shaded in, so it's the whole thing. Is it whole? Let's see. Yes! Let's see what treasure we're gonna get, Felicia. What are we gonna get? A banana! Yay, yay, yay! Okay.
Choose the correct answer.
Ooh. Okay, it's cut into 4ths, 4 equal pieces. 3 of them are shaded in, so there's 1, 2, 3/4. Is it 1/4, whole, 3/4, or half? 3/4. Let's see. Yes, yes, yes. Woo-hoo. What treasure are we gonna get? Another banana! Yes.
Choose the correct answer.
Okay. Now they're wanting to know, half is written as, is it written as 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, or 1/3? We know this one. 1/2. Yes. A banana! All right, boys and girls. Awesome job today learning about whole, half, quarter, and 4th. See you next time. See you next time.